In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default currency to your local currency on Binance. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, aligning the platform to display your local currency can make navigating your trades and investments more intuitive. So, let's dive into how you can make this adjustment on the Binance website. First things first, you'll need to log into your account at Binance.com. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which acts as your gateway to various personal settings and account management options. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard section, where you'll find a whole host of settings tailored for your convenience. On the dashboard, search for the settings option and click on it. This will open a panel with several customizable features. Your focus here should be on the display currency setting. This is where you can tell Binance what currency you'd like prices to be displayed in by default. Within that menu, you will see a drop-down list. Now click on this drop-down menu and browse the available options for your local currency. Click to select your preferred currency, and with that small action, you've set the ball rolling. Once you make this selection, Binance will update your default display currency across various sections of the platform, including spot trading, futures, and the earn pages. This unified display will make it much easier to track and comprehend your account balance and trading history, since everything will be shown in units you are familiar with. That said, it's crucial to realize that this change solely affects how prices and balances are presented to you. It doesn't alter the nature of your trading pairs, which will continually operate in terms of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Tether, such as BTC USDT. So trade pairings don't change, just the way they're visually represented when you browse your account. If you're engaging in peer-to-peer, P2P trading, there's a slight detour you should be aware of. You'll also want to set your preferred fiat currency under P2P settings. This additional step ensures everything in the P2P section aligns with your currency preference. Following these steps will streamline your interaction with the Binance platform, offering clearer insights into your investments by tailoring the display to fit your local economy. By customizing your experience, you're simplifying the process of making informed financial decisions. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and you find trading on Binance to be a more seamless and enjoyable experience now. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.